Hey, I'm here back down the rivers on Cash Explosion, creating havoc down here. I still got 21 more spins. I'm trying to get me a hand pay here, see what happens here. Try to see what happens. Need about another $600 for a hand pay. See if I can get it. Come on now. Let me get that TNT in that middle for some more spins. I needed that sun to come right back down. Come on.
Too bad you didn't have them on the end.
Nice. Yeah, you got them 10s twice too. Come on, keep adding them up, baby. Keep adding them up. Oh, another $600 for a hand pay. Come on, darn it. I need another one of them big old suns right in the middle with some things again. A couple more times, that will do it. That was cool. That TNT came right back early to help me out there when I was getting them extra spins too. Keep them in the game. Keep me in the game. I wish I had that Mexican couple with that big old sun in the middle too. There we go. Come on, give me some more spins. Give me about like 90 spins. All right, here. Let's get a little closer view here. See if I can do something here. Let's see what I can do. Man, get out of there. Get out of there. Come on now. Minor. Minor. Add them up, baby. All right, another $110 though. Hey, getting closer and closer. I was hoping if I got like 10 more spins out of it, but it might come back again. I still got, 17 more spins? Now he got that random over there. You never know. Hey, I seen somebody on 60 Cent get 22,000. They picked on Dynamites. They picked both the grands. The first one was at 12,000 something, and then they picked the next one right beside it. I was here when they did it.
It's in there. You can get in there.
Yeah, it's two of them. Maybe two of them there. It was an older guy. He ain't know how to play. I told him, I said, just keep picking, and you never know. I said you might get one of them jackpots, and he pick that grand one, that green one, you know. I told him, I said all that. I said just don't come back for the rest of the year. Enjoy that money. All right, I need another $500 for a hand pay. Come on. Man, I need that sun right in the middle. Come on now. Come on, wasted 2 spins there. Come on. There we go. I'm at my record already at 37, so hopefully I can get some more. Come on, baby. Come on. He got it over there. We're all lighting up the machine right now, you know. We're all lighting up. Come on now. Come on. Mini. 3. X. Mini. Got 4 more. I was gonna stay to the right, but it probably was about like 5 more X's over there, you know. Hey, 2 minis and 4 spins, you never know. If I got 18 more spins to go. I tell you what, man, if this TNT come back again, man, I think that grand got to be in there somewhere because, like, you know, all these spins on the max, you got to give me some. Down here creating havoc on the cash explosion. But you had a nice one over there too. You had a lot of spins too, didn't you? Like about 19, yeah. Hey, take it while you can get it. You know, it'd be tough at times. Come on. All right, here we go. I got the 10s. I got those sombreros a little bit. That's what put me at 800 something. With 17 more spins. That's what I said, man. I would like to get about like 100 more spins. Let's see if I can come out here for a couple grand off the thing. Woo!